So name of the poem is The Rebel. The rebel. Who is the rebel? You can just see the definition, beta. It's written on the top side. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you and your friends, or likes to do the opposite what everyone thinks they should do? So the rebel is a person who always, acts in the opposite way. Okay? If you would say sit down, he would stand up. If you would say come in, he would go out. So rebel is the person who does the opposite what he should do. Okay? Like Ipsa gave example of her brother. So her brother is a rebel. Okay? Similarly, Chitesh also, according to Chehek, not according to me. Okay? So the rebel is the person who does the opposite. Now let's recite the poem. I hope everyone has a book. If you are not having book, you can just download the PDF, or just you can search Google The Rebel. You can write down The Rebel and you will see the poem. Okay, who will read it? Last time I gave turn to Chehek, I think so. आज किसकी टर्न है बेटा? Chitesh, did you get turn last time? Chitesh.
यस मैम बिशप की नहीं मिली थी इसलिए मुझे आ गई थी.
बेटा loudly, I am not able to hear you.
मैम बिशप की नहीं आई थी, मेरी आ गई थी.
Okay, Bishop. Let me check. Bishop is there. Yes. Bishop, please better read the first page. Recite. Unmute, please. No, he's not here then. Yes. Bishop, please speak up.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not able to hear you. Yes, please. Beta, page number 33. Read the first page.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not able to hear you, beta. Okay, Raghav. Raghav, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
33, first page, beta, read kar. Recite it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please.
When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lover, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs.
Okay, that's it. So, beta, it's very easy poem. I think it's, very much clear to you. Still, I would explain, then I will ask you questions, okay? When everybody has short hair, now there is a trend of short hair. What would the rebel do? He would have long hair, okay? And when everybody has long hair, what he would do? He would just cut his hair, okay? He would have so much short hair when everybody talks during the lesson. For example, today I told you that let's have discussion. Tell me one person who is opposite. So only few students just spoke. This means he just the rebel wants to say doesn't want to say a word. Okay? When everybody is talking, he always stays silent. But when now I want that you should not talk, he would talk. Okay? When everybody wears a uniform, he wears fantastic clothes. Fantastic means beta very bright clothes, okay? Very bright and some which is not a uniform obviously, okay? Casual clothes but bright one. Next one is when everybody wears fantastic clothes. Up now there is a party and there is provision that you can wear your home clothes, okay? The clothes which you wear at home. What he would do, he would just wear a uniform. Soberly means which is not bright. When everyone is wearing bright clothes, What he would do, he would just wear dull clothes. Sober means dull, not bright. Okay. In the company of dog lovers, when he would see that everyone loves dog, he would say that no, 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 I love cat. Okay. And when everyone loves cat, so he says that I love dogs. So the rebel is the person who, thinks opposite, totally opposite to others. Okay, the next one is Shubh. Shubh, next page, beta.
When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes, please, the rebel says, no, thank you. When everybody says, no, thank you, the rebel says yes, please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one.
Okay. So Shubh, you can mute yourself. Now, when everybody is praising the sun, so everybody says that today is a sunny day, I'm liking this sun. So the rebel would say, no, I just need rain. Okay? Now it should rain. So remarks means comment. He would comment that it should rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, greeting means when you welcome someone or something. So everyone is welcoming the rain. The rebel regrets. Regrets means to feel sorry or to wish for something else. So regrets means when you don't have something and you wish for that. So he regrets the absence of the sun. Now, if today is rainy day and everyone is saying that weather is so good, then he would say, I don't like rainy day. I like the sun. Okay? The sun should come every day. So when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. So he does the opposite, beta. This is very easy. So when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the goes to the meeting. So when everybody says yes, please, the rebel always say no, thank you. And when everybody says no, thank you, he would say yes, please. It's very good that we have rebels. Now the poet is saying that I really like that when I am, surrounded by the rebels, because you may not find it very good to be one. He says that now imagine that we all are one, then there would be, no fun in the life. अब सारे same है, ठीक है? If I like ice cream, all others are, liking ice cream. So it would be very boring. So there should be rebels होने चाहिए हमारे आसपास, so that we feel interesting everywhere. Okay? So difference should be there in every individual. Otherwise, life will be so boring. If I am wearing uniform, अब सारे uniform डाल रहे, if I am wearing white clothes, सारे white डाल रहे हैं, तो think, just imagine the situation. It will be very boring. So he's saying that rebel should be there and life will be interesting. So this is the poem, The Rebel. Now you can close your books and I will ask you some questions. You have to look into the camera, and I think it's very easy poem also. No need to just look into the book. Can you please tell me whose EPP number 11972? How can I mark your present better? Please tell me your name. EPP number, yes beta. Please tell me, otherwise I have to remove you from the meeting and you will not be able to join the meeting again. EPP number. Please unmute. I'm giving you 1 minute to unmute, otherwise I'm going to remove you. चलो उसने अपने आप ही छोड़ दी meeting. Okay. So my first question, Arman. Arman, please look into the camera and please.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by rebel? Is the rebel?
Ma'am, the person who always thinks opposite.
The person who thinks opposite to others. Okay, fine. Better. Next is Chehek, then Harmeet.
Yes, ma'am.
My question is, when everybody wears uniform, what does rebel do?
He wear fantastic clothes.
Okay. And when everyone wears fantastic clothes, then
He wears sober clothes.
he wears sober clothes. Okay. Next is Savya. Savya, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what about hair, beta? Comment on hair. How he keeps
Yes.
his hair.
When the other people has long hair, the rebel has short hair. When everyone has short hair, the rebel has a long hair.
Well done. Next one is Harmeet. Harmeet, unmute. Raghav, please turn on your video. Harmeet, my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How he behaves in class, beta, during lesson.
Ma'am, when everybody, ma'am, everybody reads the lesson, then he don't reads any word. When everybody keep quiet, then he take make disturbance in class.
Okay. When everybody is quiet, he always talks in class, and when everyone talks, then he stays quiet. Okay. Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what type of pet he has?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Beta, comment on the pets. Pets. What type of
Ma'am,
pet?
when everybody likes cat, then he say that he likes dogs. And when everybody like dogs, then he say that there would be cats.
That he should have cat. Okay, well done. So next is Parul. Parul, please unmute. What type of weather he likes, Parul?
When everybody likes sun, the rebel said that it is rainy day. When everybody said that when rainy comes, when everybody said that the weather is good, then rebel said that no, the sun would come all day.
Okay, the rebel, okay. When everybody says that rain is good, he says that no, the sun is better. And everyone when is welcoming the rain, he always misses the sun. Okay. Next one is,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes, please, beta, you can ask.
मैम जो सेकंड पेज पे फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ फर्स्ट लाइंस 2 लाइंस हैं उसमें आपने रिमार्क्स का मीनिंग बताया था पहले.
Yes, beta. Remarks means
Okay.
to comment.
एंड मैम रिग्रेट्स का मीनिंग एक बार रिपीट कर दो.
That means there are two meanings. Here the meaning is to wish for something, which is missing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next one is Saksham and Samaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, now comment on where he wants to stay, where he likes to stay, the rebel.
Ma'am, when everyone goes to meeting, he likes to stay at home and read books. When everybody stays at home and read books, he likes to go to meetings.
Yes. Okay. Next one is Rajaryan. Rajaryan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, which two words he says, in an opposite manner? दो words की बात की गई है in the ending of the poem. Okay, Devang, please tell Rajaryan which two words.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, which two words he says in opposite way? Okay, two phrases, group of words. Okay, Gaurish.
Without the rebels, the life is boring, and with the rebels, the life is interesting.
No, you are going somewhere different. I'm asking which two phrases he just speaks in an opposite way. phrases group of word होते हैं. Yes, Gorish, please explain.
Yes, ma'am. When everybody says yes, yes, then rebel says no. Ma'am, if everybody says no, then rebel says yes.
When everybody says yes, please, that's the phrase. He says no, thank you, and everyone says no, thank you, then he says yes, please. Now, who will explain that why we should have rebels around us? What is the reason? Akshara.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Why
When
we should have the rebels around us?
yes, ma'am, when rebels are there, then the life is
Akshara, speak up loudly, beta, loudly.
When the rebels are near us, then the life is interesting, because when if everybody will be same, then it will not interesting. One should be different from us.
Yes, one should be different from others. Life would have been so boring if we had same type of people around us. So we should have rebels and we should enjoy the different colors of life. Okay, well done. Now the next one, we'll do back exercise. We'll do question answers better next time whenever we have period, maybe day after tomorrow. So I'm giving you 30 seconds or 1 minute to do the opposites. Page number 35, second exercise. You have just 1 minute to do so. You have to write the opposites. Tanvi, please turn on your video. Gursimar, Jasween, Raghav, Saksham, Samar, Parul. Beta, then I have to give you 0 beta in just this interactive, behavior. Shivang, Jasmine, Hargunpreet Singh, Kasak. So many students are there. Gurasis, Jotin, Jasmeet, Agamjot, Ipsa. Okay, have you done? Okay, the first word is long. So Harmeet raised his hand, I think. So yes, Harmeet, what is the opposite of
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt. मैम जो मैम वाई वी शुड हैव मैम रिबेल्स का आंसर मैम मैंने बोलना था मैम मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम थी
Okay, speak up. Why we should have rebels?
because we should have rebels because with the rebels our life will be interesting and when there are no rebels in our life the life will be boring or dull.
Yes. So life would be very boring if we all, if we all are same. Okay, very nice. So next one is Karthik, please tell me the opposite of long and grow. 2 words. Long and
Ma'am, the opposite of long is short, and grow is
grow. Okay.
ma'am. Actually, I don't know meaning.
मैं sentence बोल रही हूँ. The rose grows in a day. इसका opposite क्या होगा बेटा?
Ma'am, shrinks.
Yes, shrinks. So everyone please write down the opposite of grow. Grow is to shrink. Shrink. वैसे grow का cut भी हो सकता है, but this is not the appropriate one. I think shrink will be better. So grow, shrink. Okay. Now next one is Parul. Parul number 3, then Jasween number 4. Parul, quietness. Quietness.
Disturbance.
Disturbance. Okay, well done. Next is Jasmine. You can write noise also, everyone. Jasmine, please tell me sober.
Fantastic.
Yes, sober, fantastic. Next one is Gorish. Gorish, lost.
Ma'am, fine.
Lost
Yes,
is the
ma'am,
second
fine.
form, then you have to tell me.
Ma'am, found.
Yes.
Ma'am, found.
So, beta, if the word is in second form, then you have to give, antonym in second form. Okay, lost, found. Agamjot Singh, Aditya, Hargun. Now, how many warnings should I give you? Please turn on your video. Veronica. So third question, it isn't important. You can just complete the line. No need to do the third question. अब एक टंग ट्विस्टर दिया हुआ है, इसको घर पे ट्राई करना. Okay? A tutor who tooted a flute tried to tutor two tutors to toot. Said the two to their tutor, is it harder to toot or to tutor two tutors to toot? It's very much difficult. Try it. ठीक है? Tooted होता है to play something. ठीक है? Tutor आपको पता ही क्या होता है? Which gives you some knowledge or which gives you guidance. So a tutor who tooted a flute. Just try it yourself. Now please open your page. There's one little poem, The Squirrel. It's page number 17. Page number 17. It's a little poem. I think there are only 6 lines in the poem. So The Squirrel. Obviously you all have seen the squirrel running on trees and just running, I think, across the road also. So Devang, please read this poem better. 6 lines.
He wore a cushion mark for tail and overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we run around his tree, he went the other way.
Okay. So this was the very easy poem. So I will explain you quickly. Now the poet is saying that, who's the poet? Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Okay, he's the poet. He's saying that he wore a question mark for tail. Now look at the tail of the squirrel. He says that it resembles the question mark. Okay, and yes, I agree. It really resembles the question mark. So an overcoat of gray. Gray is the color, beta. So Gray. Actually, they are not the correct spelling of gray. Correct spelling is Grey. So beta, gray is the British English which we follow. Okay, British English. And this is the American English. America mein sometimes they just use this word gray. So this is American English and this is British English. So an overcoat, he's saying that it looks like the squirrel is wearing an overcoat of gray color. Okay? He sat up straight to eat a nut. So whenever he gets a nut or anything to eat, he just sit like human beings straight and he eats the nuts. He liked to tease and play. Tease means when you bother someone. Okay? So the poet is saying that the best habit of or best hobby of the squirrel is to tease others. Why he is saying that? In the next line he has explained. He is saying that, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. He says that if I just go near it, he just goes to another way. And if I just try to go to another way, he just comes to this way. तो उसको लग रहा है कि squirrel उसको तंग कर रही है. ठीक है? So this was the little poem, and I think it's very easy also. If you have any question, you can ask me. So these 2 poems were very easy. One is The Rebel, second is The Squirrel. Please lower your hand if you are not having any kind of doubt. No doubt? Parth, any question?
Ma'am, no.
No. Parul, any question?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay, so I gave you homework from this book, Vita. Please open it. I gave you exercise. Yes, who will tell me, please? Raise your hand and please tell me the exercise that I gave you. Yes, Savya, please tell me page number.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Ma'am, you gave page number 54, 55 and 57.
So page number 54, A exercise. We have 5 minutes, beta. Quickly we'll discuss. So one by one, please unmute yourself and tell me the answers. So Savya, we'll start from you. Is planet warmer the getting? Harmeet, please mute. I'll tell you when your turn will come. So Savya, first answer. Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Savya, first answer, beta.
The planet is getting warmer.
The planet is getting warmer. Okay. Shobh, please, next one. Side by side, mute yourself. Shobh.
The world population is increasing.
The world population is increasing. Okay, correct. Next is Harmeet. Harmeet,
Yes, ma'am.
third one, beta. Quickly.
We cannot have progress without peace.
This is fourth one, beta. We cannot have progress without peace. It's okay. Now, third one, Chehek. Chehek, number 3. Harmeet, mute yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is English is an international language.
English is an international language. Okay. Jasveen, number 5, beta. Number 5.
Yes, ma'am. We celebrate the Republic Day with great pomp and show.
Yes, with great pomp and show. We celebrate Republic Day with great pomp and show. Okay, well done. Next is Jason. Jason, number 6, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Number 6, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Do you like to go to watch to movies?
To the movies, okay. Do you like to go to the movies? Question mark.
Movies.
Okay, well done. Next is Akshara. Akshara, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 7, beta.
The bag is made of leather.
This bag is made of leather. Okay, well done. Next one is Samriddhi. Samriddhi, please unmute. Samriddhi, please unmute and speak up the last one. Number 8.
Tanya is good at tennis.
Tanya is good at tennis. Okay, well done. So now B part, beta. Now some other students also, please raise your hands. Try to participate, beta. Raise your hands. Okay, IPSA. IPSA B part, first answer, pick out subject and predicate. You can unmute and you can speak up, IPSA. No, Parth. Yes, Parth, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Tarun.
One by one, beta. Parth, then IPSA. Okay, Parth, first one, beta.
Ma'am, Tarun is the subject and is quite late is the predicate.
Circle the subject Tarun and next is predicate. Okay, well done. Next is IPSA. IPSA number 2.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. I have a doubt in it. Flew the birds is the subject and out of the tree is the predicate, I think.
Do you really think who's doing the action, beta, here? Who is doing the action?
Ma'am, I birds.
Okay, pick out the verb. Pehle verb pick karo.
Ma'am, flew.
Flew. Who flew, beta?
Birds.
Okay. So someone who's doing the action is your subject. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
So the birds is your subject. Out of the tree flew is your predicate. Okay. Next is Karthik. Please unmute and tell me the third one, beta. IPSA, you can mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Karthik, number 3.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the lost child is the subject and cried helplessly is the predicate.
Okay, correct one. Next, Samriddhi again. No, Samriddhi, I'll give you chance later. Gaurish. Gaurish, number 4.
Yes, ma'am. And the mountain rose is the subject, and into the blue sky is the predicate.
Are you sure? The mountain rose is the subject? Pick out the verb then. Varish, pick out the verb. There is no verb in the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible to make the sentence without
Sorry.
Okay, Madhav, roll number 28. Please help Gaurish. Answer number 4. Gaurish, this is for you, beta. Rise is the first form. Rose is the second form. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. The mountain. Yes, ma'am. The mountains.
Mountains is the subject. Rose into the blue sky. They rise. Rise means just to grow into the blue sky. Okay. So beta, tomorrow we'll again discuss in the last 5 minutes rest of the exercises, and please do exercise D and E also on page 58. Page 58, D and E exercise. Okay. I'll meet you day after tomorrow maybe. Tomorrow is a holiday. Take care, beta.
Tomorrow is a holiday.